All right, so we're out at Lake Pleasant in Conover, Wisconsin. We're here with Matt Myrick, one of the chain skimmers. He's gotten pretty consistent at doing a water ski slalom trick over the jump called a Mobius. Matt, can you tell us a little something? What's the first time you actually saw a Mobius?
You know, Jonathan, that's really a tough question because, I've seen tons of Mobiuses before. And, it really wasn't until I started seeing the film of myself that you could really start seeing what a Mobius should look like and how it's actually performed throughout the entire trick.
So, Matt, one of the questions I've got for you is, as you're approaching that ramp out there, I'm just going to focus in on it. What are some of the things that you're thinking about? What are you nervous about as you approach that ramp?
Well, Jonathan, there's a lot going through my head, especially, rope placement when I'm rapping. Double weight cutting is definitely one of them, but the main thing that I'm worried about is the stadium capacity right now, because our site isn't big enough to handle the crowds that are coming here, because everyone wants to see my perfect Mobius performance.
All right, Matt, like a lot of pro skiers know that one of the hardest things about the Mobius is trying to get this act consistent. As you're thinking about consistency, what are you thinking about as you think about that?
Well, there's really two elements of consistency, and there's definitely the skier's performance, and then you have the driver's performance out there. And right now, we're more working on the driver's credibility right now because, my consistency is spot on.
So a lot of show connoisseurs and professional skiers know that one of the hardest elements of the Mobius is trying to get this act consistent. It's a really tough one to nail every time. It's kind of like Tiger Woods hitting hole in one. It'll happen, but you can't rely on it. What are some of the things that go through your mind when you think about the word consistency?
Well, since you mentioned Tiger Woods, there's a difference between him and an athlete, a natural, raw athlete like, I am. And in terms of consistency, there's really two elements in that as well. There is the driver's consistency, and then there's the skier's consistency. And right now, we're just more focused on the drivers right now.
All right, Matt, have a great time out there. You hit that ramp. Show some chain skimmer magic, all right?
Sounds great. Thank you, Jonathan.
Yeah, see you.